How to gift food on Doordash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can gift food on Doordash. For this, you want to open the Doordash app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now explore the app and find the items that you want to purchase. So for example, if you want sandwiches, go ahead and tap on that option. Now you simply want to tap on the plus icon and add this to your cart. Then tap on the view cart option. Now you want to tap on the continue option over here. On this page, you want to scroll down and find the option of send as a gift. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you can add a digital card if you want, but this is optional. If you want to add it, go ahead and select your preferred digital card. Then you can also add a note over here. Then you want to enter your name over here. After that, you will have to enter the recipient name. Then enter the recipient's phone number. Once that is done, tap on the preview option to check all of these options. So as you can see, this is how the text message is going to look like, and this is how the gift link is going to look like. Tap on the done option if you are satisfied, then tap on the save option over here. Once you have saved these details, you simply want to tap on the place order option at the bottom of your screen. Make sure that you select your payment method before you tap on the place order option. And with these simple steps, you are able to gift the food on Doordash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.